the orifice shaper, orifice opener, and we're gonna run it at 400. That's the recommended RPM.
This is the SG1.
And we're gonna run it at 400 RPM. Brushing with it, just brushing the canal. These are coronal shapers, so you really don't have to take them to length. And I've already created a glide path up to file 20. I'm just brushing with it. As you can see, brush along the glide path. This tree has 4 canals, so all right, let's go to the next file.
This is the SG2 coronal shaper.
Thank you. Again, I'm gonna brush the canals. I don't push it, I don't force it, I let it go as far as it wants to go.
G2004 apical finisher.
So this is the apical finisher, so I'm gonna take it to working length. And it goes very easy. Very easy. And look at all of the dentinal shavings. So it's cutting really well, and it's cutting in the apical 4 or 5 millimeters. That's where it's supposed to cut. You can see all the dentinal shavings.
G2504.
And I think that's the last file I'm going to use. I'm going to keep the apical diameter to 25. This was a vital pulp, vital 2, so we don't have to increase the apical diameter so much. Again, I'm not forcing it, I'm letting it go where it wants to go. And you can see all the dentinal shavings. There you go. Very good, thank you. Bio-root flow. Alright, okay.
That's what we needed for that one guy that hit me.
I'm not gonna express a whole lot in the canal or force it. Just a little bit in the coronal to mid third, and then I'm gonna carry it down the canal with the paper clips. That's that. Canals with it. One thing I don't appreciate about these tips is that they're not. I can't get them into the canals, especially when there's limited opening. This is too tall. I can't get it in the canal.